One of the first companies we started working with is a really large company that none of your audience will probably have heard of, except for they utilize it on a regular basis. So it's a company called Blackhawk Network. And Blackhawk is the company that created the gift card malls that now you go into Home Depot or your local Safeway or whatever it is, and all of the gift cards are there. So whenever you've purchased one, off a what we call a J hook in the in the supermarket, that's our client Blackhawk that created that. And of course, over the years has added that to, online and digital offerings and all those kind of things. So those were the kind of companies we initially started working for. But then over time, and in particular as payments became more digital, there were companies that were doing processing behind the scenes. So the kind of companies that make like Apple Pay and PayPal work, or if you ever do a buy now, pay later transaction online, there are companies behind the scenes that are making all of that happen. So we had to like learn that and start working for them. And then, now there's all these like fraud and digital identity companies because, there's more fraud and it's changed and we have to make sure that people are protected when they're doing purchases online. So we had to learn all of that and work for those kind of companies. And then on top of that, we were originally just a pure PR agency. All of the people that worked here were just pure PR specialists from the beginning of their careers. But then we started adding content marketing and sales enablement and other services that the companies in our niche on their marketing teams they needed help with. So we stayed in the one niche, but we started to deepen the offerings to get sort of like more share of their, marketing wallet over time.